Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do another Python project, and we are doing this in an Android mobile. And if you want to learn how to do Python programming in an Android mobile, so you can watch my previous video whose link is in the description. So let us start. Open the app. We are creating Pikachu here. Okay, I open the app. I'm pasting the code. The code is about 542 lines, and now I press run. The Pikachu is forming. This is the cap of Pikachu. The eyes are creating. It's done. It's done. Okay, so this is the video. The code is in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.